it's Jen. And Gertie. Hey, it's Gertie, and today we're gonna ride bikes.
How come you never let me do it?
We're gonna ride bikes. Hey, let me try.
Okay, here you go.
It won't work!
Jeez, Jen, you have anger issues.
You know what happened to the last person who said I had anger issues? Let's just say they got hurt. Who has anger issues? Who has anger issues? Oh no, that's the cops. I'm not gonna get caught again.
No, Jen!
I don't have a bag of tricks on the counter. Jen! No! Jen!
Don't